Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you 10 Samsung Galaxy S7 tricks you're not using and should start using right now. Starting with the countdown, let's move on. Number 10. Block accidental touches. To activate this feature, you have to go to your phone settings, then look for this option here which says display, then click on it, then scroll down until you find this option here which says block accidental touches. And by activating this, you prevent your phone from detecting any touches when it's in a dark place like in your pocket or bag, and through this you can actually prevent accidental touches. Number 9. Edge screen. As we know, most of people have a number of applications and they hate going there to the search box and start looking for the app. So we have you covered. All you have to do is just swipe the edge of your phone and you'll be able to access your favorite apps easily, and also you can access your notification panel easily. To activate this, you have to go to your phone settings, then look for this option which says display, then scroll down until you find this option here which says edge screen, then click on it. You can activate either all of them, or you can just activate the edge panels, edge feeds, or edge lighting. It depends with your purpose or your need. Number 8. Answer calls with your voice. It sounds kind of weird, yeah, I know, but it's not. It's frustrating. Someone calls you, then you have to pick up your phone, slide to accept or slide to reject. It's actually frustrating, but this time you just have to say answer or reject to decline or accept a call. Simple as that. All you have to do is go to your phone settings, then scroll down until you find this option which says accessibility, then tap on it, then scroll down until to this option which says answering and ending calls, then tap on it, then activate this option which says answer calls with voice, meaning that you can answer or decline calls by saying answer or reject, and the speaker will automatically turn on when you answer a voice call using voice command, like that. Moving on to number 7, direction lock. Yeah, actually I've used a lot of security pins, passwords, patterns, fingerprints, and biometrics, but this one is kind of awesome. To activate this feature, you have to go to your phone's settings, then scroll down to this option which says accessibility, then scroll down until you find this option which says direction lock. And if you turn on this direction lock, you will be able to unlock your screen by swiping in a series of 6 to 8 directions, maybe up, down, left, right, or up, up, down, down, left, 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 right. It actually depends on what kind of directions you like or what kind of direction you like to set. Moving on to number 6, body switch. Yeah, body switch. I hope you get me. Actually, body switch helps you to maintain or control your phone by using your body parts, especially using the head, the eyes, and the mouth. And to activate this feature, you have to go to your phone setting, then scroll down until this option says accessibility. Then click on this option right here which says dexterity and interaction. Then click on this first option which says universal switch, then activate it. Then after activating, it will ask you to add a switch, then click on add switch. There are three types of switch over here. There's screen, accessories, and camera. But if you want to use your body parts, I suggest you click on camera. And here you can choose what the phone to do when you turn your head left, turn your head right, move your head up, move your head down, blink, or open your mouth. And you can, after clicking on the option that you want your phone to do when you move your head left, right, up, or down, you can select whether it increases the volume or decrease the volume, open notification, view recently used apps, take to the home screen, and so much more. And the same does to the mouth and eyes. Number 5, one-handed mode. Yeah, as we know, most of us don't like using most of the time our smartphones with our two hands, but sometimes the screen is just too large to maintain using it with one hand. So I got you covered. All you have to do is just swipe your phone from either of the two corners from the bottom, swipe them from down to up diagonally like that, and you can use your phone with one hand just like that. And to go back to full screen, you'll have to click the reduced display area just like that, and you'll go back to full screen. To activate this, you'll have to go to your phone settings, then go to this option here which says advanced features, then activate this option which says one-handed mode. And after activating it, you can either choose to use gesture, whereas you swipe up diagonally from either bottom of the corner like this to activate it, or you can either use home button by pressing it 3 times so as to activate one-handed mode. Another feature is video enhancer. Wow, this is for those movie lovers. Actually, people don't like watching videos in a low quality, or maybe you just downloaded a video with a low quality, but you can still enhance it without downloading HD quality. All you have to do is go to your phone's settings, then go right away to advanced features, then scroll down until this option which says video enhancer. Then after turning it on, it will enhance the image quality of your videos, and you'll be watching high quality videos better than the original quality. Moving on to number 3, smart capture. Yeah, as we know, most people like taking screenshots of images they see on social media, like on Instagram, on maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, and so much more. But it's sometimes just exhausting trying to hold the volume down button and the power key so as to take a screenshot. No need to do that anymore. All you have to do is swipe your hand using the edge of your hand from the edge of the screen to another edge, just like this, and your phone will take a screenshot just like that, a clear screenshot with no need of you to press the volume down button and the volume down button and the power key. And to activate this feature, you have to go to your phone settings, then go to advanced features, then scroll down until you find this option which says smart capture, and activate this option so as to be able to take a screenshot without you having to touch the volume down button and the power key. Number 2, multi-window. Some of us just like using 2 applications at the same time. Let's take for example, I'm using this application, I'm using settings, then I want to use another application at the same time. As you can see, one app is displayed up right there and another app will be displayed down here, just like that. And you can continue to use any of the other app as you wish, just like that. And to activate this, you'll have to go to your phone settings, then scroll down until you find this option which says here advanced features, then click on multi-window. Here you can choose whether you want to use split screen view action, where you have to hold the recent key, tap and hold on it, then you choose the other application that you want to use, or you can use the pop-up view action where you slide your finger from either corner at the top of the screen going down diagonally, and you can use either of these 2 features as you like. Moving on to number 1, and the time all of you've been waiting for, and the amazing feature is Smart Stay. Your phone will never sleep or turn off while you're looking at it. And to activate this feature, you have to go to your phone settings, then scroll down until this option here which says advanced features, then activate Smart Stay. It will keep the screen on while you're looking at it. Actually, by this it actually uses the front camera, so make sure your front camera is not blocked with anything, so it can actually have contact with your eyes. And turning on this won't you make your screen not to sleep while you're looking at it, and after you turn off your eyes away from the screen, your screen will time out as the way it is set it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Leave a comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are more interested, help me grow by sharing this video. Bye bye.